Hello dear children, let us revise for half-yearly examination. So let us first go through some fill in the blanks. The shape of Deccan Plateau is triangular. So what is the shape of the Deccan Plateau? It is triangular in shape. The seventh largest country in Asia is India. So our country India, it is the seventh largest country, okay, in South Asia. India can be broadly divided into 6 physical divisions. So our country is having 6 physical features, that is, it can be divided into 6 physical divisions. The plains are generally shown in green color in a map. Okay, so we always denote plains with green color in a map. The pole star does not change its position. So the pole star is the only star which does not change its position. You will find it at the same position every evening. If you are facing the north, south is towards your back. So you all very well know the directions now. So if you are facing the north, which direction will be towards your back? It will be south. Sri Lanka is in the south of India. So Sri Lanka is a neighboring country and it is in the south of India. A magnetic compass is used by sailors and pilots to know the directions. Okay, so to find out the directions, sailors and pilots, they use magnetic compass. Pacific is the largest ocean on the earth. So Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Annual motion of the earth around the sun is known as revolution. Okay, so annual motion means the earth completes its one revolution around the sun in 1 year. Annual means 1 year. Okay, so annual motion of the earth around the sun is known as revolution. A book of maps is called an atlas. Okay, so atlas is a book of maps. The first globe was made in Greece about 3000 years ago. So the first globe was made around 3000 years ago in Greece. Now let us see some terms. So name them. The highest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest. The highest plateau in the world is Plateau of Tibet. The model of the earth is called globe. The largest area covered with water, oceans. So oceans are very large water bodies and the largest area of our earth is covered with water and those are oceans. The top side of the map is north. The intermediate direction between north and east is northeast. Okay. Now let us come see section B. Short answers. Name 4 cardinal directions. So which are the 4 cardinal directions? The 4 cardinal directions are north, south, east and west. These are the 4 main cardinal directions. Define the term crust. What is crust? The uppermost thin, hard, uneven layer of the earth is called crust. Okay, so the uppermost layer of the earth, which is thin, which is hard, which is uneven, it is known as the crust. What is a physical map? A physical map shows rivers, mountains, plateaus and plains. Okay, so a map which shows us, which is representing a river, which is representing mountains, which is representing plateaus or plains or a desert. Okay, such map is known as physical map. Give the names of 4 intermediate directions. So cardinal directions are north, south, east and west. So what are intermediate directions? The 4 intermediate directions are northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. Okay, now write a short note on an island. So an isolated piece of land surrounded by water is called an island. Okay, so an island is an isolated piece of land. Isolated means separated. Okay, it is separated from the other mainland, and it is surrounded by water from all the sides. Such a piece of land is called an island. So, an isolated piece of land surrounded by water is called an island. Explain the term plain. What is a plain? The large, flat, and level area of a state or country is called a plain. Okay, so the large, flat, level area of a state or country is called plain. Name two island groups of India. The two island groups of India are Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. The knowledge of directions is important for us. Give reason. So, the knowledge of direction is important for us as it helps us to locate or know the position of a person. Okay, so in order to know the position of a person, we need to know the knowledge of directions, and that is why it is very important. Okay, so the knowledge of directions is important for us as it helps to locate or know the position of a person. Now children, name the two motions of the earth. So what are the two motions of the earth? The two motions of the earth are rotation and revolution. So earth shows these two movements, that is rotation and revolution. Now let us have a look at the long answers. Okay, so answer in detail. How can we find directions? The sun rises in the east. The direction we face when we are facing the rising sun is the east. So towards our back is the west, on the right is the south, and on our left is the north. Okay. Now name the physical features of India. The physical features of India are the mountains, the plains, the plateaus, the deserts, the coastal plains, and the islands. So these are the physical features of our country. Now write a short note on rotation of the earth. What is rotation of the earth? The earth rotates on its axis once in 24 hours. That causes day and night. Okay, so in 24 hours the earth completes its one rotation on its axis and it causes day and night. The part of the earth which faces the sun has day, and the remaining half which does not face the sun has night. Discuss the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is rich in minerals. It is triangular in shape. The important rivers are the Mahanadi, the Kaveri, the Krishna, and the Godavari. These are the important rivers flowing through the Deccan Plateau. What are the three features of Indian deserts? The three features of Indian desert are Indian desert is known as the Thar Desert. So it is also known with this name, Thar Desert. It gets scanty rainfall. Scanty rainfall means very less scattered rainfall. The camel is the main animal of the desert. Now write short note on revolution. What is revolution? The revolution of the earth is the movement of the earth around the sun in an orbit. Okay, so it is the movement of the earth around the sun on a fixed path which is known as orbit. This movement of the earth is also called the annual motion of the earth. So it is also called as the annual motion of the earth. Name the continents. How many continents are there? So we have 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. What is a map? How is a map useful to us? A map is a drawing on flat area that shows shapes of land and sea and the portion of the place on it. A map helps us to locate the places. So children, I hope you have understood and revised with me all the important contents of the syllabus of half-yearly exam. So all the very best. Do your paper well. Bye.